What is completable future? Before we dive into explaining what completable future is, let's understand what a future represents. This is important because completable future is built upon future. What is a future? A future is an interface in Java and it is available in the java.util.concurrent.future package, and it represents the result of an asynchronous computation. You can think of a future as a promise to deliver a result at some point in the future. Future always acts as a placeholder for a result that may not yet be available. Through future, you can check if a computation is done or wait for it to finish and also retrieve the results. Once a computation completes, the result is set and the future is considered completed. Now let's define completable future. Completable future is a class in Java that provides an advanced way to handle asynchronous programming. It allows you to write non-blocking asynchronous code by providing methods to chain multiple operations, handle errors, and combine multiple futures. Completable future was introduced in Java 8 as part of the java.util.concurrent package, which builds upon the older future interface, as I've already mentioned. But completable future, on the other hand, offers much more flexibility and functionality. A completable future allows you to define callbacks or actions that should happen once a certain task completes. This is very crucial, especially as it aids in non-blocking asynchronous and reactive style programming. Now, what are the uses of completable future? Here are some of the reasons why you should use completable future as a programmer. You can use completable future to write asynchronous and non-blocking code, which will help to improve the performance of your system by not wasting threads. You can also use completable future to chain multiple asynchronous operations together. Completable future can also be used to combine results from multiple asynchronous tasks. For instance, you can fetch data from 2 or more APIs and merge the result using completable future. You can also use completable future to handle errors gracefully in asynchronous pipelines. And then you can also use completable future to improve your app scalability, as it can help to manage the efficient utilization of system resources instead of blocking threads. Completable future is very crucial for fetching data from multiple APIs concurrently and also for performing background computations. It is very useful when implementing event-driven architecture, as it helps in handling events asynchronously and triggering follow-up actions based on previous results. You can also use completable future to process jobs in batches and also handle background tasks. Completable future is capable of running scheduled jobs in the background without blocking the main application flow. Now, here are some of the disadvantages of completable future. The first on my list is complexity. Completable future can make asynchronous flows harder to trace. An API can become hard to read and debug if completable future is overused in it and with many chain operations. Another challenge is that cancellations are not properly propagated when using completable future. Cancelling a feature does not necessarily cancel dependent feature unless you explicitly handle it. The third disadvantage on my list is the learning curve involved when it comes to completable future. Using completable future requires a good understanding of functional programming concepts such as lambdas and expressions. The fourth disadvantage on my list is the overhead that can be incurred when using completable future. If you are dealing with a simple task, then the extra complexity that comes with completable future may not be worth it. Completable future can be likened to promises in JavaScript and coroutines in Kotlin. Currently, it is highly required in modern Java development. Many frameworks such as Spring rely on asynchronous patterns. Completable future is also very pertinent in the implementation of critical and high-throughput systems such as web server and in fintech. Completable future is also a common topic in senior Java backend engineering interviews. In summary, completable future is a very powerful tool for writing scalable and non-blocking Java code. Although it has a steep learning curve, but if you can master it, it will make you a stronger backend or cloud engineer.